Y'all know what to do. Smash the like button. Let's get this video to 50 likes. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already and turn on post notifications so you don't miss every step in the video. But other than that, enjoy this video. I'm back. Like I said in the beginning, can we get this video to 50 likes? Yes, we can. Smash the like button. I would really appreciate it, and it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. So smash the like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and share this video with your friends and tell them to subscribe. It helps out with the channel massively. And comments that are joined are free to comment because I reply back to every single comment. Here's Midoriya or Deku, however you want to call him, from My Hero Academia. Hope you all enjoyed this much as I did. I had a lot of fun making this drawing, and hope you all enjoyed this much as I did. I really love how the outcome came out, and I really love how vibrant the colors came out. So hope you all enjoyed. If you want to see more My Hero Academia drawings, let me know by smashing the like button. I'm going to be leaving some drawing playlist in the description, which I highly recommend that you check out, because I'm sure you'll find some anime characters that I've drawn for they may really like. So make sure to check it out. It's going to be in the description, and I also have a drawing playlist here for My Hero Academia, so check it out. But yeah, everybody, hope you all enjoyed. Make sure to stay safe, and until next time, everybody, peace.